So we're making our own power harness for the fans. I know they're all yellow, but that's fine. It'd be all red if I had red wire. So what I do is I take them and I have the wires hooked somewhere. And I just run them out. Put tape over them so I know what the harness is. Try and lay everything in there nice and neat. Just need to band the tape. And do that all the way down it. It's almost like having one wire. These fans pull enough to where I need individual wires for each relay. I've learned my lesson already about these fans. These things pull a lot. So, but yeah, this is how you do it.